Hello everyone, welcome to the TSS. In this class we will discuss about switch case statement, friends. A very interesting. It is switch case, right? So this switch case, let me highlight this one, color it, makeup kind of things. Okay. So this switch case is used to select appropriate block of statements when the case equals to the specified condition or expression, right? So let us see the syntax. The syntax is, we will use the keyword called switch and we will provide one expression, right? Then we will open the curly braces, and inside the curly braces we will give different cases. Okay, let us say suppose case, and if that expression equals to the value 1, then the program control comes to this case block and it executes this block of statements, and then it the break keyword is provided. So due to the break keyword, the program execution stops and it skips all the remaining statements and it comes out of the this block, and then it will goes to the next statements. Okay, and then if the expression here what expression we had specified here, if it is equals to value 2, then this particular block of code will be executed. After execution we had break the sequence, right? And then we had manually break the sequence. You need to understand, if you don't provide this break, then it will goes on checking all these cases. So if you provide break, then we manually stating that it is not inbuilt, like if else ladder statements are there, no, there it was inbuilt, but here you need to manually manually code it break. Otherwise, what if the expression equals to this value and this backup statements will be executed, and if there is no break statement here, what the program control did is, no, it will goes on executing all the cases, right? And then it will come to the next statement. So much of time waste and resources waste will be there. So that's why better remember to use break statement. So after execution of the required block of statements, the control comes out of this block and it will go to process the next statements, right? So the logic of flowchart, switch case flowchart will be presented here, friends. I presented here. Let us analyze it. So the program control comes here and it will evaluates this expression. Okay, after that, if this expression matches to the case 1 value, then the corresponding block of statements will execute. Okay, so this expression matches this value, then this block of statements will execute, and then after executing break statement, it will skip all these remaining code and then it will goes to the next statements. Here you can see. So if expression is matched to the case 1, if matched, then the statements will execute, then it was break, and then after breaking the program goes to the next statement. Like that, if the expression is equals to case 2 value, then the corresponding block of statements will executed, then break, then it will goes to the next statements. Like that it will comes on and on and on. So if that expression is not equal to any of the cases provided here, then the default case will be executed. So default case is when it will execute when all the values are become false. Okay, it is not equal, but that means unmatched. Okay, if the expression value is not matched with any case value, then this default block of statements will executed, right? Let us discuss it parallelly. Let us discuss it practically. So the example is provided here. So the day, okay, day of the example. Let us open our VS Code, open a new file, switch statement. Okay, now say if you want to, if this switch case is very much implemented heavily in the IVRS systems, friends. Okay, in the IVRS systems, what you heard when you come across this IVRS system, if you phone to this IVRS number, if you call this IVRS number, what you hear, some voice will hear. So if you want to the language to be English, then press 1. Like that it will give some options to us. If you want Telugu language, Telugu koraku 2 dial cheyandi. Hindi, if it is Hindi, then it will ask us to press 3. So if you press 1 or 2 or 3, then the corresponding code block will be executed, right? So after that it will give another set of options. So for service oriented purpose, please dial 2, please press 2. If you want any balance updates for your bank, please press 3. If you press 3, then that corresponding code block will be executed and your balance details will be heard. Okay, so this switch case is implemented in IVRS systems, friends. So let us say you want to know the day. Okay, let us where day is equal to, oh, I didn't give it a name. Oh, some rough file it is. Let's delete it. Now take new file, switch.js. Okay, now where day, some day, if user has given Sunday like this. Okay, and now if you want to make the computer to know and know the user input and perform the corresponding operations. So if the requirement is like this, then switch case is the ideal choice, friends. Okay, switch, you will provide the expression day. So this is the expression, and then you open the code block. So switch day is the expression, that means day is equal to Sunday. Okay, now case, and you have to give the value. Value means if it is Monday. Okay, if it is Monday, then console.log it's Monday. Okay, sorry, console.log, and then after that console.log, so we don't want to execute further code, so that's why we are giving break here. So if the day and that means the value in the day is Sunday. Okay, sun. So we are comparing this day with this case. So Monday, other Monday is equal to sun. If it is yes, then only this code will execute. If not, it will go on checking the next case. Okay, so like that it will goes on performing all these things, friends. Okay, let me do it. Let me copy it. 6 4 5 one default case will be there, default. Okay, so let us make some modifications. Okay, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, it's Tuesday, it is Wednesday, and then it is THU, that means Thursday, and then next case is what? Fry. It is Friday, and then Sat, it is Saturday, and then next case will be, if you want we will give default also, we will give Sunday. Hooray, it's Sunday, enjoy your day, like that message there. And then default sorry, default console dot log. Default means if all the above cases fails, then what you need to display? Unknown day. Okay, then the next statements we will give console dot log, say some 48 plus 62. Okay, here you understand the Sunday, this day, this Sunday, internally the day's content is Sunday. It is goes on matched with cases. Okay, the Monday is matched with Sunday. No, it was not matched. Then this case will be skipped, and then it will goes on performing matching. Okay, it is not matched. It was skipped. So where it will become match. Okay, here it will become match. So then this particular code will be executed, and it was breaked here itself, and then control comes to 32. Okay, so let us now clear node, then what? File name switch.js. Here you can see, hooray, it's Sunday. Okay, now hooray, it's Sunday, enjoy your day. Okay, it's a spelling mistake, right? This is the process, friends. If you give the Tuesday, okay, if we give the Tuesday, now let us execute it. What will happen? It's a Tuesday because the day is matched with this case, so the match was matched, then this particular code becomes executed, and even after execution, then break will executed. After the break executed, the program control comes out of this code block, then it will goes on executing next statements. That's why it is here. Okay, that's it, friends. Okay, if the match is not matched with any of the cases provided, say suppose I am giving some junk here. Okay, here EHT, and this EHT is compared with all the cases. So if there is no match, I think there is no match, then this default code block will be executed. Okay, let us execute it. Here you can see unknown day. So what is that day? We don't know. EHT. So that's why the last default case will be executed. Okay, so this is the mechanism, friends, of switch case, right? So in the next class we will start JavaScript loops, friends. Till then, bye bye. Yours Veera signing off. Thank you for listening.